Hi, I'm Chanel Bowen with Inner Renovations Counseling. Thank you for being here today. I want to take the opportunity to discuss the blueprint for well-being, which is something that will guide us along the way as we define our goals, set expectations, and be able to set healthy boundaries. Sometimes it's difficult for us to get what we want because we aren't clear about what we want. As we move through different stages in life, our values change, we change. And so it's a good idea to check in with ourselves every once in a while to make sure that our goals are still in alignment with who we are now. We change so much throughout our lives. It's important for us to evaluate whether or not the way that we're living now is in alignment with our values. And I've found that sometimes we are living based on older values that don't necessarily fit this version of who we are, or don't fit the version of ourselves that we're trying to become. And so every once in a while, we just need to do a little check status. What are our goals? What is it that we want? What are our expectations and our boundaries? And we just have to sit down and create some structure, create some space, some time to have those discussions. And that's what the sessions are about, making time for you to think about the direction that you would like to go in from here. The blueprint for well-being is constructed to help you do just that. I want to take a moment to make sure that you are aware of the type of services that you'll be receiving when you work with me. I'm a licensed clinical mental health counselor and a licensed clinical addiction specialist. I also provide DBT skills training, and I'm a registered yoga teacher. So I try to combine those services depending on what's best for you. It's not a one-size-fits-all. I've constructed a program that takes the whole person into consideration. The DIY coping skills, which will be your DBT skills training. You'll learn emotion regulation, distress tolerance, mindfulness, and interpersonal effectiveness. There will also be the option for those who are interested to participate in therapeutic yoga. And also the Kingdom of Heaven Within, which is scripture-based meditation and guided affirmations, positive affirmations. So you'll decide what's most appropriate for you. I'll make the recommendations and you'll decide your level of participation in each of these services. So for more information, please go to innerrenovations.com. There are additional resources on the website, and you'll be provided with handouts that can be uploaded to you through your personal client portal. For more information, please feel free to go to innerrenovations.com, and you can also download some of the forms directly from the website. Take care.